In forex, the bid price is the price that a trader is willing to sell a currency pair for. The ask price is the price that a trader is willing to buy a currency pair at. The bid price is always smaller than the ask price. For example, if a forex trader believes that the euro-US dollar will appreciate in price, he will buy the currency pair at 1.1529, so he can benefit from the rally. On the other hand, if a trader thinks that the euro-US dollar will fall in price, he will sell the euro dollar for 1.1520, so he can profit from the decline.